In our last topic, I discussed division of property in relation to married persons. Today, I will discuss division of property in relation to the common law union. Just to recap, division of property is how spouses divide what they own. Some people believe that if they have lived long enough, they are recognized as a common law union. But from a legal perspective, a single man and a single woman living together for at least 5 years is considered a common law union. The common law union must be continuous and it must not involve 2 or more people simultaneously. The common law union can end abruptly and there is no legal formalities for ending same. In order to seek any orders from the courts in Guyana, the applicant must first establish that he or she has legal rights as governed by the Married Persons Property Act. It is tribe law that he who alleges must prove. Therefore, the applicant must present evidence to the court of his or her financial contributions during the union. The application for division of property must be made within 3 years after the end of the union. The court, in considering what are your legal entitlements in a division of property, will look to see whether you have lived together for more than 5 years, what are your contributions towards the common law union, and whether you have shared any household duties and or expenses. After the court would have been satisfied that a common law union exists, the courts will now determine the assets of the common law union. And in determining the assets, in the application that you would have made, you must fully describe the property. Whether it be a vehicle, you must provide the registration of that motor vehicle. And if it's a property, you must fully describe that property. In examining the assets, the court will look at the value of the assets in the common law union. And in some cases, the court will request a valuation from the valuation office to determine each party's share in the property. The court will also consider the welfare of the family as well as a spouse contribution to the union. The amount of your share will depend on the size of your contribution. Where the parties were living together for less than 5 years and the applicant is not working, the judge will award 1/3 share to the applicant. However, where the parties lived together for 5 years and more, the judge will award half share of the property to the applicant. Money or property derived from housekeeping will be treated as property belonging to the husband and wife in equal share. Any investment made with money belonging to one spouse without his or her consent, upon an application to the High Court, the court can make an order that the investment be transferred to that spouse. Persons in a common law union for 5 years or more will also receive the same privileges as a widow or widower where their partner would have died without leaving a will. This has brought us to the end of today's discourse.